Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about Jollycash Withdrawal. In this video, if you have been on Jollycash and you have been earning performing tasks and you don't know how to place your withdrawal, in this video tutorial, I will walk you guys through step by step on how you can make your withdrawal successfully without making mistakes. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on this my channel on daily basis. For you not to miss out any of my latest update, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Okay, then at the end of this video, if you are not in any of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us there for daily business update tips and then the rest of them. That is what I do there on my Telegram group on daily basis. Okay, so before I proceed with this video on how to withdraw, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational and tutorial purpose only and not a financial advice. As a result may vary based on how you are using Jollycash platform. This video does not guarantee you any result, so therefore you are advised to make your own research before using any platform. As I always tell my viewers that whenever you come across any platform that claims to be money making, claims to be earning, the first thing you need to do is to make your research, verify the authenticity of any platform before using them. That is my advice to any viewer. So this video does not guarantee you any result. This is my total disclaimer. Okay, before I proceed to show you guys how to withdraw, I will briefly talk about this platform for the purpose of, or for the sake of those hearing about Jollycash platform for the first time. So what is Jollycash all about, and is it legit or scam? So we will talk about it briefly, then I'll walk you guys step by step on how to make a withdrawal on Jollycash. So this video is basically on how to withdraw. Please take note. Okay, so Jollycash is an online earning platform which claims that the user can actually perform tasks and then do survey and then test app, download app and the rest of them, and then they reward them with points, and then those points they claim that you can convert it to USDT and withdraw. So that is what this platform claims to be. So when I came across this platform, I decided to investigate it, to review it if they are legit or scam. So if you didn't get to watch the video I made yesterday, the few review video which I made yesterday, which clearly stated or clearly revealed if it was a legit one or a scam one, the next video that is going to display is that video. So for now, let me walk you guys step by step on how to place your withdrawal. So make sure you watch the full review video so that you have the full knowledge of this platform. So to place your withdrawal, you need to have your wallet address ready. You can use Binance, Bybit, any exchange of your choice to place your withdrawal. So what are you going to do? So go to any exchange of your choice, copy your TRC20 USDT TRC20 network. So when you copy your address, so what do? Come to this place here, you see the option of withdraw, click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, they have the minimum of $5 to withdraw, which is 5 USDT, which is 50,000 points. So 50,000 Jollycash points is equivalent to $5. Then they have the option of $1. So let's say I want to place withdrawal now as I'm showing in this tutorial. So I will select 10. I want to withdraw $10. So I will select 10. Then you scroll down, you see this option of TRC20. That's your USDT payment method. Then make sure you select this one. Don't select ERC20. It has fee, so this one does not incur any charges. So you can see this option here, provide your USDT receiving address. So after I have copied your USDT receiving address from Binance, Bybit, or any of the exchange you are using at all, what do you do next? You paste it here. So you paste it there. So when you paste it there, scroll down, then you see the option of request payout. Click on the option of request payout. And they say take note that deposit or the first disbursement may take 3 to 4 working business days before it arrives in your wallet. So after you have put in your details correctly, you click on request payout. So that's it. You can see. So that's it. You can see. So I have now requested payout, and you can see that it is currently processing. So we now wait for them to credit us. So that is how to place your withdrawal on this platform. So if you have been participating on Jollycash and you don't know how to withdraw, so this tutorial video, this is how to withdraw from the platform correctly. Okay, a lot of people are still not understanding it, and you may be helping someone today by sharing this video. Then if you want to try this Jollycash platform out yourself, I'll be leaving my own personal referral link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to try it out yourself. So that's just it. And then if you have question about this platform, you can also comment below. And have you been participating on this platform, and what are your own personal experiences with the platform? You can also share your own personal experiences in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and remain sparky.